everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video you'll learn to make basket using popsicle sticks, or you can also call it as ice cream sticks. So you can keep artificial flowers and leaves into it and use this as home decor, or else you can use this for gifting option. Like my friend is getting married really very soon, and before her wedding she'll be organizing bangle ceremony. So I'll be putting some bangles and some chocolates into this basket and get it vacuum packed, and this is how I'm going to use it. So I'll be using a bowl to acquire the shape of basket, and to stick them together I'll be using hot glue gun. You can use Fevicol as well. Attach more ice cream sticks if you want to make a bigger basket, like to keep fruits in it.
What can I do to make you feel a little longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a little longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
So now I'll be using brown acrylic color to paint this basket.
But it goes so fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no patience.
So now I'll be using this craft wire and some beads to make handle of this basket. Firstly, attach craft wire with one end of the basket, then put beads into it, and then connect it to the other end of the basket. So this completes my video. I hope you will try this, and if you do share pictures with me on my Instagram account or on my email ID. Link will be in the description box. I love to see your creations. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel and do like and share my videos.